Hovertech. Just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'll be explaining how to flash firmware to a Motorola Android device using Hydra dongle or Hydra 2 main module. First, you need to have set up your Hydra dongle. You need to have set up your ADB fastboot. I'll link to guides on this. And you need to have the firmware which you intend to flash. Once you have this in place, you launch the main module. Now, in the main module, you go to Motorola and then you change the tab to flashing. You select the model, the firmware for the model you intend to flash. That's the flash file.xml, and you click open. Now you can tick or untick any partition you intend to flash. I'll just tick all to flash everything. And then you can change the flash options. I'll untick skip security partition. So it's going to flash everything. Now you put the device into fastboot and connect it to PC. Then you click start flash. Click yes. And then you wait for the tool to flash. Alright, so flashing is completed and you can disconnect and boot up. So that's how to flash your Motorola Android device using Hydra dongle main module.